Hello, I'm Dr. Swapna Vaidya. I'm the Director of Transplant Psychiatry at Mount Sinai Medical Center. In addition, I have my own private practice wherein I deal with patients who suffer from mood disorders, particularly depression. Today, I'm acting as the consultant to the Lieberman for the Patient Unveiled research. In my opinion, as a psychiatrist, one of the most challenging things is to help our patients access these difficult emotions and be very honest about some of the issues that they are facing. I feel that we have certain diagnostic tests that we rely upon that help us gain insights into our patients. First and foremost, being a mental status exam, wherein we focus on the appearance, characteristics, behavior that often helps us identify what kind of conflicts our patients may be experiencing. Certain projective tests that are there in the literature, such as Rorschach, thematic apperception tests, draw a person test, or complete a picture, are also tests that can give us a glimpse of the inner psyche of our patients when they are not very verbal or unable to communicate their feelings. While studying these techniques, I can see the value of the technique that Lieberman is offering in terms of this avatar technology, wherein the patients can see themselves in a virtual world, which can be very enriching, not only in breaking their own barriers, but in gleaning information about them and thereby helping them more effectively. As my role as a consultant, I help them identify certain characteristics that are very crucial to patients who suffer from depression, such as the facial markings, hair, presence or absence of accessories, particularly sunglasses or hats, that mean something to the patients. I feel that in terms of comparing such techniques with the projective techniques that we have in the literature out there, these are akin to any other tests which foray into the subconscious mind. There was a lot of research done by Ekman and Friesen about facial action units, and I think that I can see the future of such kind of technology which will break barriers and will help patients access healthcare in a more effective manner. With this end in view, I really congratulate the Lieberman Group and thank them for allowing me to be a part of this endeavor. Thank you.